Okay, so today we're checking out these recessed LED lights from Lumary. These are going to be smart lights. What's really cool about these is the rim of the light will illuminate like a kind of softer, wide light, and the middle illuminates like your traditional light. And these things are going to be super easy to install because this is the can version. I have can lights right now. It'll take me with real time 1 minute, probably 1 minute to uninstall the old one, put the new one in. It's super fast. And this is going to be controlled with an app through your phone with all the different features. And the app itself is going to be this one right here. See, there's the app. Everything's going to be in the instructions that you need. But I'm going to go ahead and download the app myself, show you guys how to install it, and then go over all the features in the app. Okay, I'm going to do this without any cuts, just show you guys how quick this is going to be to take these out. Now the connection that I have right here is already going to work, but it does come with its own adapters that you can plug up into the can if you need the adapters, if the ones that you currently have don't match. So all we're going to do, plug this in, stuff that up in there, push that in, and it's installed. That's all you have to do, guys. So super fast install. I'm going to get the other ones installed, and then we're going to check the lights out. Okay, so we got the app going now. You can see I have all my 4 lights that I have installed. One right here, and the other 3 over here. And then I have a group that I made there. To make the group, all you're going to do is click one of the individual lights, go up here, hit the edit button, and then go to right here to create group. And you can see this one's already in a group called My Home, which the other 3 are in the same group as well. And you can see in the living room group, we got the main light off and the auxiliary light as blue. There you can go dim on that. See how dim they got. Slowly rise it. Or turn that off. Turn the main light on. You can see it gets very bright as well. And you can change the colors of the main light. You can either do your own personal color with a color palette or the pre-made colors down here. So let's go to bright white. So that's like 6K, 7K, something like that, as bright as it gets. You can go down here, kind of like a softer light. That's about where I like it there. And I'm going to turn it down though to about half. So there's a ton of different things you can do. You can see there's a ton of different presets, rhythm. You can see it's not doing anything right now. Well, it's picking up my sound. So if I stop talking for a second, just nothing. But if I talk real loud, see it responds to my voice. So it's actually picking up the sounds from the mic on the phone. So you have the lights that is going to respond to you speaking or music that's playing, obviously. And then you can, put on leisure. See, it's got a little round lights going around like that. Party, blinking lights. So a ton of different presets that you can do. And something I wanted to mention, when you're connecting to this thing, you're going to go up here, hit add device. Right here, I had to go into the settings and the permissions for this app and allow it to see nearby devices. So if you're having the problem that I did, it won't connect to Bluetooth, that might be your problem. That's it for these Lumary recessed lights. They were super easy to install, super easy to use with the app, and so many cool different functions. I love that the rim lights up and the main light lights up. That's so cool, I think. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.